Hi, welcome back. This video, I'm going to show you how to make leaf printings with ink. Here's an example of what I mean. This is just a little coffee table book that I've been working on. It's super easy to do, and you just never know how the result is going to turn out. Okay, let's jump right in. First things first, obviously, you're going to need a wide assortment of leaves. I went out and found a poplar leaf, a maple leaf, and an assortment of oak leaves. Also, you'll need a bottle of ink. I'm using basic black India ink. I'm decanting a small amount of ink into this little tray, but you don't necessarily have to. You can just get some ink onto your sponge straight from the bottle. Also, I do highly recommend wearing gloves if you do this. You will be wearing ink for about a week if you don't. If it's not important to you though, go naked, that's fine. Also, I recommend having a thick piece of scrap cardstock or sketch paper, something like that, something that you can reuse. And of course, you'll need some note cards. Well, I'm using note cards. I suppose you could use anything you wanted, really. This would probably be really cute on the front of a greeting card. The last couple of things you'll need are a brayer. Obviously, mine is pretty grubby looking now. And just a scrap piece of paper or note card to press on top of your leaf. Stay tuned, all of this will come together and make sense in just a minute. So when I open up my cardstock, you'll see that it has seen a lot of use. And that's what I mean about getting a thick piece of cardstock or paper that you can reuse. This is a very messy project, and you don't want to be ruining multiple pieces of paper if you don't have to. I'm dabbing a little makeup sponge in the ink in this little tray, and I'm just going to rub it all over the back of the leaf. Make sure you're rubbing it over the back, not the front. Essentially, what we're doing is we're really highlighting the veins on the back of the leaf. Okay, now either fold over or flip over your piece of paper. Lay your note card or whatever you decide to print on down on the clean sheet. This just keeps your card from looking messy. Lay your leaf on the card ink side down and then put your scrap paper over the top of it. Next, roll over it very firmly with your brayer. Remove your leaf, and you have your first print. You never know how clearly these are really going to print until you try it. Some leaves, like this one, will be a fair bit paler than others. You'll see that mostly with leaves that don't have very pronounced veins on the back. We'll do this maple leaf next, and I'll show you the difference. This one has pretty pronounced veining. So, same process as before. Get your sponge and rub some ink on the back of your leaf. Lay it ink side down onto your card. Cover it with your scratch paper, and roll it with the brayer. Again, be sure to use firm pressure when you roll over it. See, this one stamped a whole lot better than the last one. Here's a little comparison of the leaf versus its print. Some leaves you find may be too big for your note card, such as this sawtooth oak leaf. Don't fret, that's entirely fine. Just have it go off the edge of the note card, and you may find that you like how it turns out because it's more artistic. Because this leaf is too big for the note card, I'm not going to ink the whole thing, just enough to cover the note card where I want it to be printed. Be generous with your ink to be sure you get a good impression. This one didn't turn out very bold, but is highly detailed. The tree that this leaf came off of is very trendy. Do you know why? Because it's poplar. This leaf is too big for the note card as well, but since it's symmetrical, I'm just going to print 1/2 of the leaf. Oh, I'm not too pleased with how this one's stamped. I was hoping it would be a little bit more prominent than this. It's not bad, though. I guess I'll keep it and add it to the book anyway. These small leaves are more sawtooth oak leaves. I thought I would go ahead and print them to show you that small leaves can make a big impact as well. And there you have it. So far, I think the most successful leaves I've come across have been grape leaves and fig leaves. Both of those plants have very pronounced veins on their leaves, so if you want to make really showy prints, definitely look for pronounced veins on the underside of the leaves. I hope you enjoyed this quick and simple project, and I hope maybe you'll give it a try. Stay tuned for a few close-up shots. Be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching!